Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Sheda TV. Today we are back with another remedy, that's the salt and garlic. You know how to use garlic and salt to raise you in anything you want, and it never disappoints. So in most places we are disappointed, we are taken unserious, they take us for granted, we don't shine, we don't do anything for ourselves. Don't look any further, look for garlic and salt, because garlic, it brings positivity in our lives, it brings prosperity in our lives, it brings wealth in our life, it's always positivity in our lives. So garlic, actually in the other videos I told you, like the previous videos, I only talked about garlic. I only talked about garlic. So when you mix it with salt, it's magic to our lives. So you get a fresh garlic, don't get powdered garlic, get a fresh garlic. You peel like 3 garlics. After peeling, you grind it. You can either grind it or you can either blend it. You put it in a bucket of its own. You add salt. You can either use cooking salt or you can use sea salt, but sea salt is the best answer for it. You use sea salt. So after using sea salt, you mix it in the bucket. You mix them together. After mixing them in the bucket, you leave it for 10 or 20 minutes. After mixing them, leave it for 10 or 20 minutes. So do your baby showering. You're waking up in the morning, first shower, you get clean. After showering, getting clean, this remedy should be the last remedy you should use. You bathe it very well, and meanwhile you're bathing it, you have to pray. You have to manifest. People who promised you money and don't give you money, bathe and tell the universe that sorry about that. Bathe, manifest, pray. You tell the universe that people who promised me money and they don't give me money, I pray they should give me money. You get my point? They'll give you money. People who take you for granted will begin taking you for granted. People who used to disappoint you in all levels of life. Someone promised you a job and doesn't fulfill that job. Someone promised you money and doesn't fulfill giving you the money. Someone promised you something and they didn't give it to you. This remedy will work for you. Just keep on praying on it. You can use it in a business, especially people who have businesses. You can mop in your business. I always use the example of a salon because salon is my side hustle. And I've used all these remedies. I've seen it. It has worked for my salon. So, people who have salons, people who have boutiques, and people who have other businesses, after mopping your business very well, it should be the last water to be used or the last remedy to be used. And when you're using it, you have to manifest. I manifest for customers to come here. I manifest to overflow of customers. I manifest for money. I manifest for wealth in this business of mine. I manifest for prosperity in this business of mine. Trust me, it will work. And please have faith. As I said earlier in my previous videos, whatever you're doing, you have to use faith. I don't want you to do something and you be doubting yourself. No. And whenever you do something and you be doubting yourself, trust me, it won't work for you. In case you're going to use these remedies and you have a doubt, like let me just try, please, these videos are not for you. just scroll and go to another video of your best interest. In case, I repeat again, in case you're just trying at, let me try whether it will work, trust me, that's a doubting Thomas. It won't work for you. Scroll over and go to another video. But people who have faith, people who know how to manifest, people who know how to pray, don't scroll. This video is for you. You get my point? This video is for you. So whenever you're bathing this remedy, tell God what you want. Anything you want. Anything. Because God provided us with these natural remedies to help us, to elevate us to another level. Elevation is the best answer for you. You'll be elevated financially. You'll be elevated in friends. You'll be elevated in connection. It has to elevate you. You get my point? So use this remedy. And please, after using this remedy, don't use it when you're going to sleep with your husband. You know, we don't want to chase our men. Yes, we want money, we want wealth, but at the same time, we don't want to chase our men, our husbands. We begin saying, our women, my woman smells so badly. Bathe it. After bathing it, you can bathe it in the morning. After bathing it in the morning, you can, I know that smell of garlic is horrible. You can either maybe even bathe it over the weekend when you're going to remain home and you're not going to sleep with your man. You can bathe it. After bathing, it can dry on you. Then you have to put yourself a lot of perfume. Yes, such that you don't smell horrible for people, because garlic smells. You get my point? So bathe it when you're not going to sleep with your husband. And also bathe it when you're not in your periods. You have to be clean. Bathe it when you're not in your periods. You know, we have to connect with the universe when we are very clean. We have to connect with the universe when we are free. You get my point? So just keep on manifesting whatever you want. Keep trying using these remedies. Keep using, not trying, but keep using these remedies. In case this remedy doesn't work for you, there's another remedy that will work for you. So people have different remedies that work for them fast or faster. So you can use it every day. You can use it twice a week. You can use it once a week. You can use it anytime you want. You get my point? You can use it anytime you feel like using it. And the more you use it, the more favor you get. The more you use it, the more you rejoice. The more you use it, the more you'll be elevated. The more you use it, the more you'll shine in all levels of life. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and comment. Come back in the comment section below and tell us whether it has worked for you or not. Please bye. I love you all. Subscribe.